Welcome to the video on Implantable Hearing Device Unit. I am Dr. Geeta C. I work as Associate Professor in Audiology at All India AIISH of Speaking Here in Mysuru. I am also currently the chairperson of the Implantable Hearing Devices Unit. In the unit, we help people hear using various hearing devices that are surgically implanted, like cochlear implants, bone conduction implantable devices. We have a team of experts and well-equipped infrastructure to support the patients in every step of the way. We start with checking if the patient is the candidate for an implantable device or not. We help the patient in choosing the right implantable device. We refer for surgery, and we also have all the post-operative services available in the unit. The unit is located in the first floor of COE building of All India AIISH of Speaking Here in Mysuru. The unit is open on all day, from Monday to Friday. This video will walk you through all the key services that we offer in the unit.
We conduct thorough behavioral and electrophysiological tests to determine if a patient is suitable for cochlear implantation. We also assess candidacy for bone conduction devices, particularly for cases involving congenital deformities or acquired conductive hearing loss. We provide extensive counseling to ensure patients and their families fully understand the process, benefits, and potential complication of these devices before they make a decision. Once a decision is made, we facilitate referrals for implant surgeries through various government schemes like ADIP and NPPCD Shravana Sanjeevani. Post-surgery, we switch on the device and map the devices. Mapping is nothing but programming of cochlear implant device. Apart from mapping, we provide ongoing support and troubleshooting services. Overall, we have more than 500 cases availing services from our unit. We are committed to world-class student training. Both undergraduate and postgraduate students are posted at our unit to gain hands-on experience in cochlear implant candidacy, mapping, and patient care. Our unit actively contributes in advancing hearing healthcare through various research initiatives. We conduct funded research projects along with valuable dissertation works by our students. IHDU plays a vital role in raising public awareness about cochlear implants through educational material such as pamphlets, educational videos, and periodic parent orientation programs.
Our goal is to open up a world of sound for those who are living in silence and to continue pushing the boundaries of what possible in hearing healthcare. If you have any queries on implantable hearing devices or the services that we provide in the unit, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.